Okay, this is scion XB 2005, and right now we are going to be replacing this belt here. As you can see, it's actually bad over there. It's kind of hard to see, but it ripped, like the side of it ripped. And I was driving and I thought like a piece of tire actually ripped off and started making this noise. And then I looked at the tire was good. We opened the hood and we saw this belt is about to rip completely. So what I'm gonna do is release this right here and just bring this up and remove the belt. Okay, so you need to release this top bolt and the bottom bolt on this part. Okay, so the top one was 13 millimeter and the bottom one was 14. So to get the bottom one, I used this kind of wrench. I was able to fit it in there and release it. Once this is released and the top bolt is released, you can go ahead and move this back and forth. See? And you need to actually move it this way as close as possible so the belt would be released. As you can see now, I can go ahead and just remember the pattern that is on there so you can install it the same. Okay, this is my old belt, and as you can see, it's cracked, and that's the piece that actually came off, and not just this one right here. So now I got a new one. I got this one at AutoZone. So I will compare the size, the length, and then install it. Okay, so I already installed it. I started from the bottom right. Put my hand from here, and I was putting this belt from this way, from this side and over there. Once I put that one on, this one automatically put on. I don't know how, but I was able to, and then just bend it over that like a tensioner or that wheel, and put it on here. And now we just need to tension this. We might use this bar to put it in here and just go like this and tighten this bolt first, and then once we get the right tension, I'm gonna tighten the bottom bolt. Okay, so like I said, we use this bar to put it in here between this engine there and this, and we were like pushing it away so we could tension the belt, and we tied this one and started the car and let it run for a while so we don't hear any noises or anything. And it's actually not that tight, but just good enough. I mean, it's tight, but not too tight. Just start the car and see if it's actually making any noises, and then tighten the bottom bolt. Okay guys, so this is important to actually start the car, because so it would actually sit right, and then if it's loose, then retighten, readjust here. So guys, if this video was helpful, like the video and also subscribe to my channel. I have many videos that are helpful. Okay, so after I tightened all the bolts and I turned on the AC, and make sure you turn on the high high speed of the fan, and then you can actually hear that noise coming from the belt. That's definitely needs retentioning.